Hello guys, welcome to my channel. You are watching how to fix tech. In this video, I am going to show 5 steps to resolve the issue search bar is not working and you are not able to search on a search bar. This video is for you. I am pretty sure if you follow these 5 steps, your issue is going to fix. So let's begin without wasting our time. In the first step, we are going to restart our Windows Explorer. Many programs and software run inside your Windows and sometimes they conflict, so we need to make sure that we can restart those applications with the Windows Explorer. Okay, go to Task Manager option here or taskbar setting, this one. Right click on it, then you will see the Task Manager option. You can hold Control Alt Delete button to access Task Manager option. Then go to Processes option, which is already selected here. Now here you need to look for Windows Explorer. This is the Windows Explorer. Okay, you need to click on that and you need to restart it. This is the basic step. Your issue should be fixed. If any conflict in the application and software, your issue should be fixed with the Windows Explorer restarting. Okay, restart it just. If you are still facing same issue, you need to close this option and we are going to perform Windows troubleshooter by default. I assume that you are not able to access your PC, like you are not able to search. What you need to do is you need to press window logo key and I button, okay, together like this, window key which is near Fn and Alt, okay. You will see more options after pressing Windows logo key and I button. Click on updates and security options here, okay. Then scroll it down, okay. Then on the left side, look for troubleshoot option. This is the troubleshoot option. Click on this. Then click on, after that, click on additional troubleshooter option. Okay, these are the troubleshooter. You can fix this issue. So scroll it down and look for search and indexing. This one, search and indexing option. Run the troubleshooter. Click on this option and this will automatically resolve your issue. You can select what the issue. Can't search on the search result, file and folder apps or setting don't appear in the result. Okay, this is the two options I am selecting. Click on next option. Now this is detecting the problem and the troubleshooter is if not able to fix the problem, this may give you the advice what is the wrong with your system. Try these repairs as an administrator here. Click on this option. Okay, let this run. Okay, you can again choose the same options here. Click on next option. You should have admin rights to perform this task, resolving problems. Okay. Okay, now you can see Windows search is not working. Fixed. Okay. In my case, it is already working, but it also already found the issue and it fixed it. And if it is not able to fix your issue, it may show you the result what is wrong with your system. Okay, close this option and follow the third method. If your issue is still not resolved, in the third method we are going to rebuild our indexing and searching option. The search result works behalf of rebuilding it and indexing of searching, so that's why we are able to search on a search bar with the help of indexing and search option. So make sure you can rebuild it. Press window plus R button together and type your control. Okay, control, click on OK button. Now click on the view by and select a large icons. Okay, once you click on small icons, you need to select small icons here, not large. Okay, after that you need to look for indexing. Okay, let me find. Okay, this option, you need to search for indexing options here. Click on this option. Okay, once you click on indexing options, you will get more options. You need to click on advanced options here. Click on this, and this is the option we can rebuild our indexing and searching option. Okay, click on rebuild and click on OK now. And wait for the process to complete. You can see indexing is starting now, and it will fix all the issue related to search result. You need to wait for almost 10 to 15 minutes. This is the very powerful method to resolve this issue. Sometime conflict your searching results and the searching programs. So this is going to fix all the issues related to search. Make sure you need to wait for that until it is completed. Okay, you need to wait for this process to complete. This might go over 40,000. This is now almost 3,000. So I'm closing this option. You need to wait for the process to complete. You need to restart your system if it is completed. Okay, you just need to restart your system and your issue should be fixed with this powerful method. If you get same issue after the restart, we are going to perform the SFC and disk command to repair your Windows. Sometimes your window corruption is the main cause of this issue if indexing is not working. Okay, you need to perform SFC and disk command to repair your Windows corruption. Right click on the taskbar option, then click on the task manager option. Okay, click on the file option, then run a new task. Okay, type here CMD and hit this option. Create this task with the administrative privilege. Click on this and you are going to perform this task as an admin. Type here SFC space / scan now. Okay, type this command. SFC stand for system file checker, which scan all the corruption inside your Windows and will repair if found any corruption. And if it is unable to perform this task and says that unable to fix the corruption, you can run the other command. Okay, after completing this command, you need to perform one more command. Okay, I'm pasting this command, also will give you the description box. You need to hit enter. This command will repair your image services. You can see deployment, image services and management tool. So this command is also going to repair your Windows. You need to hit enter. Now you can see the process is begin now. It will also go to 100%. You need to make sure that you have patience, and after performing these two commands you need to restart your system and your issues should be resolved. If these commands are not running on your system for some reason, it means that corruption is big inside your Windows and you need to repair your Windows with the reset option. Okay, so how you can reset your Windows if your start search bar is not working? Okay, I'm canceling this. You need to make sure you have enough patience and wait for the process to complete. Okay, now this is the fifth and final step to resolve your all the issues. Is if corruption is not fixed with these two commands, reset and new window fresh installation is the last option for you. Press window plus I button. Okay, click on the Windows and update security option, this option, update and security. Okay, now click on the recovery option here. Once you click on recovery option, you will see the reset this PC. Click on reset, get started. You can choose keep my files. If your data is important, then you can keep your files. Your C drive is only going to format, so you can back up your data in a D drive and other drive. Like If any important data inside my C drive is the Windows drive, I can move the data into D drive and F drive. So you can do the same process and back up your data, and you can also choose keep my files, but still you can back up your data. Okay, click on keep my files option, and this will delete all the apps which you have manually installed. Okay, you will get two options here. If you have more than 4 GB data, you can choose cloud download. Cloud download will reinstall your Windows from the Microsoft server and will get the file from the Microsoft. And local reinstall means your installation will be installed within your device. So I think this will be better option for you. Since you have corruption inside your Windows, this will be good option for you. Cloud download. Click on next button. Okay. Okay, this process is going to take almost 2 to 3 hours. So make sure you have enough time and enough power with your laptop or your system, and hope your issue will be resolved with the reset this PC. If reset this PC is not working on your system, then you can fresh reinstall Windows 10 or other version of Windows. Your issue should be fixed. So hope your issue is fixed with this video. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching How to Fix Tech.